welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and this is Beautiful You Wig Reviews. I'm so glad that you're here today. This wig review is sponsored today by PinkyPromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their emails and you will get a code to save 30%. You can also email support at PinkyPromise.com if you ever have any wig related questions. So today we're going to talk about this really cute wig. This is Wren by Estetica in SilversunRT8. More on her in just a minute. Okay, let's start talking about Wren. So I was so excited when Cheryl from Pinky Promise said that she wanted to get a review on Wren in this beautiful color SilversunRT8 because Wren is one of my favorites from Estetica. Wren was one of my early wigs. I had her, I believe, in the 826 or the RH826. I don't know. It's a 8 base and a 26 highlight. And I just loved her. That was before I made videos and had my Instagram and all that kind of stuff. So she was just one of the wigs that I bought. There are pictures of her early on the Instagram, but I just thought she was so cute and she was fun to style. And I love her adorable little spiral curls. They are just the cutest thing. So, you know, I hope that if this is not a wig that you've paid any attention to in the past, I hope that you will check her out because she is a really cute style. So, okay, so let's get started talking about her. So I will do a spin so you can see her all the way around and then we'll do all her specs and all that kind of stuff. So aren't those curls cute? I mean, they're just springy little spiral curls. So here's my left side. The back's so cute. My right. Isn't that pretty? And then back to the front. Okay, so measurement wise for Wren, she has a 10-inch layer here in the front on her bang. She has 8.25 inch sides. She is 11 inches from the crown and her nape is a 4-inch nape. So she's not super long, which is really nice. You know, she's an easy wig to wear. She just looks like she's just basically a curled bob. So really cute. So she is a lace front with a left mono part. Lace front looks nice. You know, they're putting a little bit of that highlighting there at the lace front, but mostly you see the rooting, which I think looks very natural. And the knots look really good. Really tiny. And then she has this left mono part, which this one did come with a zigzag part, so I did manage to get most of that zigzag out. There might be a little bit back in the back, but anyway, so really nice. I think their parts look nice. If they come zigzagged and you get them open, then you have a pretty nice part that I don't usually feel like I have to pluck an Estetica wig. So, okay, so ear tabs are nice. Got good coverage. As far as the cap fit, so this is an average size cap, but she's fitting my petite head really nicely. There is some room from forehead to nape. Ear to ear, she's fitting me great. I just had to bring the hook adjusters in just a little bit on her to make her fit my petite head. So if you're petite, I think she might be a good option for you. But these wigs, of course, always have great stretch for larger circumferences. So I will pop her off and we can look at her interior cap construction. Okay, I'll show you her part up close here. All right, flip her inside out here. Okay, so you can see she has this left mono part, goes all the way back to the crown, which I love. That gives you such a nice, natural looking part. Great appearance of scalp, you know, there where the hair separates from the part. So I really love that. Then she has a lace front. She has just closed lace up here, maybe a tiny bit of permatease, right at the root, you know, right at the wefting, but she's not full of permatease. I actually feel like she's pretty low density. She's got open wefted ear tabs that have a good sized piece of metal there. And then she's got plenty of hair for off the face styling. She's open wefted all through the cap. She has an open wefted, extended nape. Say that 10 times fast. And then she has the hook adjusters. So like I said, I pulled those in just slightly. You can see over here where I pulled it in. And then the cap has really great stretch. Okay, let's talk about this color, SilversunRT8. So very pretty color, really icy white blondes here. So the description of SilversunRT8 is an iced blonde dusted with soft sandy blonde and golden brown roots. So giving it a very, you know, cool white appearance. You've got the rooting all throughout the wig, so that's going to be around your face, on your lace front. Anywhere you separate the hair, you're going to see that 8 root. Here we have, with just overhead lighting in the room, I think this could pass for, you know, a gray color if you'd like a really light gray, but technically it is a, you know, just a white blonde, so. Very breezy out there today, so I guess you got to see the hair move in the wind as well. So, okay, so she, like I said, is low density, so she's really easy to tuck behind the ears. She's no problem with glasses, you know. Put the glasses on your head, no problem. Your sunglasses. She's super cute to style. She looks adorable with a headband, and I think I would pull out this pretty curl in the front. I just love these little curls by my face when I put a headband in a wig. So that color looks so good with the leopard. Really, really cute. And of course you could also just stick it in there. That would be cute too. Really cute. She's really cute, half up, half down. Again, I would take one of these little curls. And with the as curly as these spirals are, you might want to twist it a bit when you're putting it, you know, half up, half down. See what I did? Just gave it a little twist there, and then, you know, drop some of these curls here in the front down. Really, really cute. She's super cute. I don't know about a ponytail with her. I think you could put her in a, I think I put mine up when I used to have her. Like I said, it was so many years. It's like 3 or 4 years ago. Oh yeah, she goes in a little tail. And then you could even put her in a little twist, you know, and put like a flat clip on her. That looks really, really cute too. So she's fun to style. She's not super long, so she's going to be a really easy length, you know, to manage. And the one that I had before lasted for a long time. Excuse me. Lasted for a long time because it wasn't real long, so it wasn't, you know, rubbing on all my clothes and stuff like that. So I got really good wear out of these fibers. These are, by the way, just regular synthetic fibers, not heat friendly. So really, really cute, pretty wig. I want to thank Pinky Promise for sending this wig to review for you all today. There will be purchase information down below this video. And until next time, take care of yourselves and don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.